Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see our machine learning life cycle. Our first step is to getting data ready. Gathering data. So this is where we will in the below example we will found the data in gathered form. So this is a step to load the file, that is a gathering of data. And our next step is data pre-processing. So let's see what is data pre-processing in learning. These all are the attribute of data pre-processing. And data pre-processing is a crucial step in a machine learning pipeline that involves cleaning, transforming, and organize the raw data into the format that is suitable for machine learning algorithm. This step is specifically implement the performance and effectiveness of your model. Data pre-processing help to address issues like missing value, outliers, inconsistent formats, and other irregularities in the dataset. Data cleaning, handling missing value. Missing data can lead to biased or inaccurate model. Common stages involve the removing rows and missing values, filling missing values, and with mean, median, and mode. We will see this in upcoming models, or using more advanced implementation technologies. Outlier detection and handling outlier can destroy the model. Training techniques such as Z-score and IQR on clustering method can help identify and handle outliers. Data transformation, feature scaling, uh, scaling features ensure there are one similar scale which can improve the conversation speed and performance of many machine learning algorithms. Common scaling method include the standardization, Z-score normalization, and min-max scaling. Encoding categorical variable. Machine learning algorithm typically require numerical input, so categorical variable need to be converted. Common method include one-hot encoding and for normal data, and label encoding for ordinal data. Feature engaging, create a new feature from existing one to provide more relevant information to the model. This might involve combining feature, creating iteration item or applying a mathematical function. Text and NLP preprocessing for text data that involve tokenization, removing the data and removing the data into normal. For text that involve tokenization, removing stop words. This will be used in a neural network. The text and NLP preprocessing, data reduction, demersalize reduction, reducing the number of features while previewing the most important information. Technique like principal component analysis and anti-distributed stored never encoding are used for these purpose. Further selection, choose a subset of the most relative feature to improve model effectively and reduce overfitting. This can be done through statistical analysis, features importance score, or resolvence feature elimination, data handling for imbalanced classes. If your data has imbalanced classes where one class has specified favor samples than the other, technique like oversampling, undersampling, and generic syntactic sample can be used to balance the classes and prevent bias in the model. Data splitting the data set into training, validation, and test set to evaluate model performance. Common split are 70 15 15 or 10 or 10 80 10 10. So if we use the only training and test data, so the common split are 80 20 or 75 25. Normalization of target variable for regression task. Normalization that the target variable can help stabilize training and improve conversion. This is particularly important when using algorithms that are stochastic or scale handle time series. Time series data often involve additional preprocessing steps like resembling, dealing with reportal trends, and accuracy for seasonality. Remember that the specific step you need to take during the data processing depend upon your data set, the problem you are trying to solve, and the algorithm you are using. Careful and thoughtful data preprocessing can lead the better model performance and more reliable result. So let's continue to our next step. Our next step is data wrangling. Let's see what is data wrangling. So let's see what is data wrangling. Data wrangling, also known as data mining or data pre-processing. This is also similar as the data pre-processing, but a little bit difference. Here we see what is the difference between data wrangling and data pre-processing. This is possible to transforming the mapping raw data into a usable and structured format for analysis and machine learning. It involves cleaning or organizing and increasing the data to make it more suitable for modeling. Data wrangling is the crucial step because the quality and structure of the data directly implement to the performance of machine learning models. Here is a details explanation with the data collection and inspection. Collect raw data from various sources which might be different formats, CSV, Excel, the database, etc. Inspect the data for quality issues such as missing value, inconsistency and outliers. Data cleaning handling missing values. Decide how to deal with missing data. For example, you can remove rows with missing values, impute them using structured method, or use more advanced technique like interpretation and predictive modeling. Handle outfits, identify and handle outliers that might skew the model prediction or learning process. Data performance. Feature scaling, scale numerical feature to similar range to prevent algorithm from being dominated by the certain feature. Common method include the standardization, Z-score normalization and min-max scaling. Encoding categorical variable, convert categorical variable into numerical representation. For example, use one-hot encoding for normal variable and label encoding for ordinal variable. Text pre-processing, convert raw text into the format suitable for analysis. These involves tokenization, remove steps and separate limitization and convert text into the numerical pre-processing like TF, IDF. This is a text processing is a problem of neural network. Feature engaging, create new features for existing one to provide more relevant information. For instance, perform a timed map. You could exist feature like the day of the week or day or the time of the day. Data integrate, combine data from multiple sources into a single data set that might involve handling consistency is in naming, conversion, data types or units of measurement. Data reduction, dynamically reduce the number of features while retaining important information. Technique like principal component analysis. This is also the problem of this is also using numerical data in the neural network and deep learning. So here are the following steps: data cleaning, data transformation, feature engaging, data integration, data reduction, handling imbalanced data. These all are the types of data handling. see the steps of data analysis. So let's see what is data analyzing. Data analyzing is the process of incepting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover meaningful insights, draw calculation, and support decision making. It involving using various statistical and visualization technique to explore the data patients, trends, and illustrate whether a detailed explanation of data analyzing with examples, data exploration, data perspective, structure, calculate, measure like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and processing to understanding the certain tendency and spread of the data. Data visualization create visual representation like histogram, box plot, and scatter plot, and bar character are visually explored data distributions and relationships. Example, analyze the distribution of age in the customer data set using the histogram to identify the most common age group. Data cleaning and data pre-processing. This is also in data analyzing. Handling the missing value. We will explain this in previous lecture. Now data transformation. Data transformation as normalization and encoding. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. This is also the step. Hypothesis testing, time series analysis. These are we discuss in the previous video. So let's see the code. Here first of all we import some important libraries. After that we load the data of cat human CSV file. So then after that we will see the mustache means mooch. We will explore that how many categories. There are two types of data in mustache. So we will encoder. We will use this is a string data. So we will convert that data into numbers. 0 will represent no and 1 will represent yes. And so after that we will explore the mustache for human, and we have 200 samples. So 100 samples, first 100 samples we have a mustache. Here we will explore the data. Here we will explore the data of mustache. In 100 samples we have a mustache or not, and after that we have no mustache. So in this we have plot the graph of height, and after that we will plot the graph where we will analyze the data. Here we will analyze the data set, increase the size of graph, plot figure, plt dot plot, length, legs, marker is equal to 0, marker size is equal to 2, color is equal to blue. So here now we can store the data of weight. So our maximum data will be 80 kg and the minimum data, this will represent the data of cat and this will represent the data of human. So here this will represent the data of skin color. First of all we will convert the color into transform. Here we have two type of colors. Let me show you. Color 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 type of colors. So it will show that the 0 and 1 is for cat and 2, 3, 4 and 5 is for human. So this will show the color of cat and this will show the color of human. Here is eye color, this is for eye color. And train, this is all the data analysis and data visualization. We will visualize the data of cat, human. So after visualizing the data, we will train our model. We will split our data for training and testing. So now here we will use a logistic regression model from the linear model. We will import logistic regression and we will import accuracy score. So after that we will fit the model